Hi everyone, welcome back to Amazma. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much, and if you're a new viewer, please consider subscribing, liking the video, comment and share with everyone. And today's video will be on recurring decimals, so we'll look at how to change recurring decimals to fractions. So stay tuned and watch the whole video till the end. What is a recurring decimal? A recurring decimal is whereby you have like a dot on top of the number to indicate that this specific number is repeating itself. So if you're to write this one in the long form, it would be 0.2222 and so forth. So instead of repeating the twos, you just write it as 0.2 with a dot on top. So that is called a recurring decimal. So how do we change recurring decimals to fractions? So this one is one decimal place. So we are going to write it in the expanded form. So, and you can write with X. You can use any letter X, R, whatever letter you prefer. So X equals 2. So when you expand this one, it's the same as 0.2222 like that. Now the thing is, we want to write 10x. So if you are to move the decimal place one step, it will become 10x. So the decimal point would move here and the new number would be 2.2222 and so forth. So here you notice that if you are to minus these two together, we'll get a whole number 0.0. So the point is to minus and make all this give you a 0. So we go ahead and swap them. So we can start with the 10x equals to 2.222 and x equals to 0.222. Go ahead and minus on both sides. So here when you minus everything, you get a 0. And then 2 minus 0 is 2.0. So at least we have a whole number. 10x minus x will be 9x. So we have 9x equals to 2. So get rid of the 9, divide both sides by 9. And therefore the fraction would be 2 all over 9. So 0.2 recurring can be written as 2 over 9. That's the fraction. Okay, number 2, we have 0.8 recurring. So in our expanded form would be x equals to, what number is recurring? 8. So 8, 8, 8, 8, and so forth. If we move the decimal point once, that will become 10x equals to, so now the decimal point will move here, and then it becomes 8.8888, like that. So we go ahead and minus these two together. So here we'll get 0. So 0 minus 8 is negative 8. X minus 10x is negative 9x. So equals, so negative 9x equals to negative 8. Divide both sides by negative 9, negative 9. So therefore x equals to 8 over 9. So 0.8 recurring as a fraction would have been 8 over 9. So you can minus like this, or you can decide to swap them, whichever. It will give you the same answer. Number 3, 0.16 recurring. So the only recurring number here is 6. So expanded form would be x equals to 0.16666. Yeah, so 6 is the only recurring number. If you are to move the decimal point one decimal place, that will be 1.1.66666. So they don't match. You continue to the same with the next decimal point, or rather decimal place. So if you move it 1, 2, the number would become 16.66666, and these two, they match. So we can use these two because the numbers after the decimal point match. So start with the big number, 100x equals to 16.6666, and 10x equals to 1.6666, minus on both sides 16 minus 1 is 15. Here we'll just get 0. 100 minus 10 equals to 90x. Divide both sides by 90. So 15. So x equals to 15 over 90. Divide both numbers by 15 and you get 1 out of 6. So 0.16 recurring can be written as 1 out of 6. Okay, number 4, 0.3 recurring, 6 recurring. So in expanded form, so both numbers are recurring. So 0.36, 36, 36 and so forth. So if you move the decimal point only once, that will be 10x equals to 3.6 because you've moved the decimal point here. So 3.6 and then again 3 repeats, 6, 3 and 6 and so forth. And here 3. So these two are not the same. We continue with 100x. So you move the decimal place, the decimal point 1, 2. So that will become 36.36, 36 and 36. So I can see that one with that one, they match. These numbers, they match. So we're going to use 100x equals to 36.3636 and x equals to 0.3636 minus on both sides. So here we'll get 0. 36 minus 0 would be 36. 100 minus 1 is 99x. Divide both sides by 99. So 36 divided by 99, both of them can be divided by 3. Here we got 12 over 33. Again divide by 3, divide by 3. So that will be 4 out of 11. So x equals to 4 out of 11. 0.3 recurring, 6 recurring is the same as 4 over 11. I hope it's making sense. Let's move on. Okay, number 5, we'll try one with 3 recurring numbers. So 0.6 recurring, 8 recurring, 1 recurring. In expanded form, that will be 0.681, 681, 681 and so forth. So if you move the decimal point only 1, so 6.81, and then you repeat the same numbers, 681, 681. So far they don't match, so we do 100x. So you move the decimal point here, so it becomes 68.1. Then you repeat 681, 681. So far none of them matches. So let's go to the next one, 1000x. So move the decimal point over here, 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 681.681, 681 and so forth. So here I can see 681, 681, and it's the same with the first one. So you're going to use x and 1000x. So let's go ahead and minus. So 1000x equals to 681.681, and x is the same as 0.681. We don't have to write all the 681s over there. Let's go ahead and do minus on both sides. 1000 minus 1 will be 999x equals to, this will just get 0. So over here we're left with 681. Divide both sides by 999, 999. And then we need to simplify this one. So we can divide both of them by, let's start by, I think 3 will work. Let's see, 6, 8, yeah. So divide by 3. So divide by 3, that will be 227 all over 333. Therefore, the answer would be 227 over 333. This one can't be simplified further. So 0.6 recurring, 8 recurring, 1 recurring is the same as 227 over 333. Number 6, we have 0.47 recurring, So 7 is recurring, so x is the same as 0.47, and only 7 is recurring, so 7, 7, 7. 10x would be 4.777. 100x would be 47.777. So we can use these two, 10x and 100x. 100x equals to 47.777. 10x equals to 4.777. Minus on both sides. 100 minus 10 is 90. X equals to 47 minus 4 is 43. All over 90. All over 90. Therefore, x equals to 43 over 90. This number can be written as 43 over 90. Okay, number 7, 3.2 recurring, 5 recurring, 4 recurring. So x is the same as 3.254. All the numbers after the decimal point are recurring. So 2, 5, 4, and so forth. 10x would be 32.54, and then you recur 254. So nothing is matching. 100x would be 325.4. Then you recur 254. We continue 1000. X equals to, so we write the whole thing, 3254 point, repeat 254. You can see these two are the same. So let's go ahead and use 1000. X equals to 3254.254 minus x equals to 3.254. So 1000 minus 1 will be 999. X equals to 3254 minus 3 would be 1 here. 5, 3, 2. So divide both sides by 999. 3251 all over 999. And therefore x equals to 3251 all over 999. That's the same as 3.254. So these three are recurring. That's the fraction. Last but not least, number 8, 2.7 recurring, 4 recurring, 2 recurring. So x equals to 2.742742. 10x would be 27.42. So nothing is the same. 100x would be 274.2. Nothing is the same. 1000x would be 742. So these two are matching. We can use 1000x equals to 2742.742 and x equals to 2.742. Minus, you get 999. X equals to 2740. Divide both sides by 999, and x equals to, okay, so here we cannot simplify it to leave it as 2740 over 999. So that's our answer for this one, 2740 over 999. So that marks the end of our lesson today on recurring decimals. So changing recurring decimals to fraction. I hope you have understood everything, and thank you for watching until this far. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.